So today I will show you how to add DOI to a reference in Mendeley. First, click the reference you want to update in your library. Once it's selected, look at the right side panel and scroll down. This is where the DOI field is located. Next, copy the title of the research paper from the reference. Open a new tab, paste the title into the search bar, and search for it online. Find the correct research paper on a reliable website. Then, look for the DOI listed on that page. After you find the DOI, copy it and go back to Mendeley. Paste the DOI into the DOI field under Identifiers and Access. Once the DOI is added, click the Search or Update button next to it so Mendeley can refresh the reference details. Finally, go back to your library and you'll see that the reference is now updated with the DOI. And that's it. That's how you add DOI to a reference in Mendeley.